Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Today we're honored to celebrate the legend Tony Bennett, who was a role model not only as an artist, but as a human being. Now he set the example, I think, for living life to its fullest at any age. Mom, do you remember Tony Bennett?
Yeah, I grew up with Tony Bennett. It's like we both grew up old together. Here we are. And he's passing on, but no, he's led a wonderful life, and I think it's nice that we can honor him for a few seconds today.
Yes, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to do a gentle walk in tribute to Tony Bennett, and we're going to do something different here today. We're not going to be talking through the walk, so it's going to be follow along so you can enjoy his amazing voice and music. All right, so with that said, we'll take a pause and get stepping.
Hi, gray skies are gonna clear up. Put on a happy face. Brush off the clouds and cheer up. Put on a happy face. Take off the gloomy mask of tragedy. It's not your style. You'll look so good that you'll be glad you decided to smile. Pick out a pleasant outlook. Stick out that noble chin. Wipe off that full of doubt look. Slap on a happy grin. And spread sunshine all over the place. And put on a happy face. Gray skies are gonna clear up. Put on a happy face. Brush off the clouds and cheer up. Put on a happy face. And if you feel him cross and bickerish, don't sit and whine. Think of banana splits and licorice, and you'll feel fine. I knew a girl so gloomy, she'd never laugh or sing. She wouldn't listen to me, now she's a mean old thing. So spread sunshine all over the place, and put on a happy, happy face. Put on a happy, happy, happy face. Oh, come on, buddy, smile, it's your birthday. Stepping out with my baby, can't be wrong to feel so right. It's for sure, not for maybe, that I'm all dressed up tonight. Stepping out with my honey, can't be bad to feel so good. Never felt quite so sunny that I keep on knocking wood. There'll be smooth sailing 'cause I'm trimming my sails with my top hat and my white tie and my tails. Stepping out with my baby, can't be wrong 'cause I'm in right. Ask me when will that day be? The big day may be tonight. If I seem to scintillate, it's because I've got a date. a date with a package of the good things that come with love. You don't have to ask me, I won't waste your time. But if you should ask me why I feel so blind, dance. Whew. Sailing 'cause I'm trimming my sails with my top hat and my white tie and my tails. Stepping out with my baby can't be wrong 'cause I'm in right. Ask me when will that day be? The big day may be tonight. What a night. Just in time, I found you just in time. Before you came, my time was running low. I was lost, the losing dice were tossed. My bridges all were crossed, nowhere to go. Now you're here, and now I know just where I'm going. No more doubt or fear, I found my way. For love came just in time. You found me just in time and changed my lonely life that lovely I was lost, the losing dice were tossed. My bridges all were crossed, nowhere to go. Now you're here, and now I know just where I'm going. No more doubt or fear, I found my way. For love came just in time. You found me just in time and changed my lonely life that lovely The loveliness of Paris seems somehow sadly gay. The glory that was Rome is of another day. I've been terribly alone and forgotten in Manhattan. I'm going home to my city by the bay. I left my heart in San Francisco. High on a hill it calls to me to be where little cable cars climb halfway to the stars. The morning fog may chill the air. I don't care, my love waits there. In San Francisco, above the blue and windy sea, when I come home to you, San Francisco, your golden sun